My kids claim this is the most tasty recipe I've made with the meal mat. Let's see just how effortless it is to make this brown rice milk with cinnamon. Using the specially designed meal mat measuring cup, I just pour in 1 cup of the brown rice, 3/4 cup of unsweetened shaved coconut, a half a tablespoon of cinnamon, and a half a tablespoon of honey. Then add enough water to reach between the 1100 milliliter and 1300 milliliter fill line. Now that we've placed all the ingredients inside, all that's left is to plug in the meal mat, place the grinding ring over the blade, put the lid on top, and select the soy milk option and press start. That's it. It's really that simple. Now just sit back and relax for about 35 minutes till the meal mat beeps and tells you it's done. Then you're going to use the strainer that comes with the meal mat to strain your finished brown rice milk. And as you can see, there is very little waste left over compared with other nut milks you might make. So what the meal mat has made for us is about 1 liter of fresh, hot, tasty brown rice milk with cinnamon with no additives or preservatives. But how does it taste, you might ask? Well, let's see what my kids think.
It has the same texture as everything else that's produced from meal mat. It's a bit thick for milk.
Good news, this really tastes like milk. A little bit of cinnamon butter, and that really doesn't taste like anything.
It has a light flavor. It's cinnamon. Best way you can describe it is cinnamon flavored rice milk.
Not like cinnamon flavored water.
Or meal mat.
I think it would be good. See, my reaction is the same. With the manto, too sweet.
Good meal mat.
It's like a less sweet version of condensed milk.
Better than the rest of meal mat.
Out of the things produced by Meal Mat, this is the best so far.
Would you put it on cereal?
Probably not.
'Tis not cereal milk.
It would be too sweet.
'Tis bread milk.